Hola, ¿cómo estás, you guys? So as you know, if you watched my latest video, I did this little cute little full bun. Well, it had to come down because bitch birthday is coming up. By the time I'm filming this, it is January 26th. But by the time y'all see this, it will be well until February. And in case you didn't know, my birthday is January 29th. So anyway. So of course, like I said, to take my blue bun down, I had washed my hair and y'all know I be using my motherfucking DIY cream that I still gotta give away. And I gotta make some more anyway. So anyway, like I said, I'm just putting that all around my hair, and I kind of did oversaturate it a little bit. So what I did, I had just took a blow dryer and I had blowed it a little bit, just to get that excess product out, and to pretty much stretch my hair out a little bit, as you see here. But these are products that I'm going to be using for my braids. I'm using these beads that I got from the beauty supply store. The white beads were $3 and the gold beads were $2. So, I also had got some string. My goofy ass. I had got some string too, but I didn't use it, at least not yet. So, as you see here. And the rubber bands, of course. I only use the rubber bands on the ends. I did not do the rubber band method for my hair. And this is the hair that I'm using. It's super silky and jumbo in color 1B and 4. And for your information, the packs of hair that I got, the ones I'm using, was $1 at my beauty supply store. So yeah, I'm using cheap ass hair, but guess what? It does my hair some justice. So is I'm complaining? No. But anyway, here I am taking this hair, taking the bundle out the pack, and I'm gonna just feather it and just keep the ends from being blunt. Like I'm starting hard as shit, but basically you don't want blunt ends. But that's what I'm doing. I'm just gonna feather the hair. I'm gonna comb it out, and I'm gonna feather. I sometimes feather it 2 to 3 times depending on how it looks. So that's what you want it to look like. You want it to look feathered and not blunt. So that's what I'm doing. And her name is Doda, and she got that killer kitty, put you in a coma. Put the whipping pot, give him brain and a robot. We just had a fight, but he's still coming over. Make up, sex, pop, cherry like a cola. Got me feeling loca, can't stop throwing in the cha-cha. Knocking on his door like a witness. I wanna let you know, you got me on my toes. You got me on all fours. Fuck, do ya do that toe? I wanna let you know, you got me on my toes. You got me on all fours. Fuck, do ya do that toe? Oh, I swear it's so good I can't lie. Tell me why you change my mind every time. Got me running back to you. Once I was done, I had just went on ahead and sectioned off how many pieces I want out of each pack. For each pack, I had 10 packs of hair, but I only used 6.5. But for every pack that I had 8 braids per pack. So that'll give you a rough idea of, how many braids I have in total. But at the end of this video, you're going to see that I had broke some parts down. So I ended up getting more hair. So anyway, like I said, I'm just breaking it all down. I'm about to show you what my little section table, what they look like. And here's what it looks like. Like I said, I have a little table. I just spread them all right there. So that's 4 packs of hair right there. So prepped and ready to go. Okay, and as you see, I got my mirrors in front of me. Got my head towards y'all. But I'm just sectioning off my hair pretty much and doing little boxes or whatever. I was gonna go fancy at first and do triangles, but for some reason, whenever I do triangle box braids, my parts be super small, my braids be super big. So it's like when I do regular box braids, I can get it right just about. But I'm not gonna talk too much, cause this ain't really a how-to, but it's like a how-to, but not a how-to, but I don't know. But anyway, I'm just sectioning off my hair, and what I ended up doing later on in the video, I ended up just going back throughout my hair and making little sections and just section it off with a rubber band. But these first 4 in the back, I had just went on ahead and put my edge control on it, and you know, just went on ahead and pretty much braided it. At first I had did knotless braids in the 4 in the back, but then after I had got sick, I just came back and did my hair later on when I was feeling better, and I just tackled it on, and I didn't do all the extra shit. But you know, yeah. So like I said, I was doing a knotless type of thing, and I was just fitting it in. I had just broke down my sectioned hair into 3 little pieces. And, you know, it was really good at first. You know, I just braided it one time and then just started feeding the hair in each part. But like I said, I only did knotless the first 4 braids, but after the rest, it was just a wrap. I was just, you know, just going and done. But like I said, I am using my edge control, my Murray's edge wax, the one that I love, and I'm breaking my hair down into 3 little pieces, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and braid in my braiding hair.
Put you in a coma, put the whip in pot, give him brain in a robot. We just had a fight, but he's still coming over. Make up, sex, pop, cherry like a cola. Got me feeling loca, can't stop throwing in the cha-cha. Knocking on his door like a witness, I wanna let you know. You got me on my toes. You got me on all fours. Fuck, do ya do that though? I wanna let you know. You got me on my toes. You got me on all fours. Fuck, do ya do that though? Oh, I swear it's so good I can't lie. Tell me why you change my mind every time. Got me running back to you. Running back. Running back. Everybody move to you. Running back to you. Running back. Running back. To you. Everybody back to you. Give me a hug that check. When I don't give a fuck. And say she took that dick. Give me a hug check.
So here's when I started sectioning off the rest of my hair, and then where I ended up falling sick. So yeah.
I wanna let you know. You got me on my toes. You got me on all fours. Fuck, do ya do that for? I wanna let you know. You got me on my toes. You got me on all fours. Fuck, do ya do that for? Come on, let you know. On my toes. On all fours. Do that for? Let you know.
I'm gonna finish this shit later. Doing these parts took a whole toll out of me. I'm stuck in my lips on the rubber band.
You got me on my toes. You got me on all fours.
Hey! So it's actually like 4 a.m. and it's like a whole new day actually. And I kind of forgot to film like the rest, because after, like, when I signed off with y'all, and told you I wasn't feeling good. I really wasn't feeling good. Like as soon as I turned the camera off, I got super fucking dizzy and lightheaded, and I had to go to bed. So like the following day, that's when I finished. And like I said, I forgot to film it because I was in the group of things. I just going just braiding and stuff. So you know, yeah. So it looks like. Towel in my butt. And I got the towel on because my hair is wet. I just dipped it. But I'm gonna go ahead and put these beads on because my hair is wet. Woo. But these 4 right here, these were like the biggest, so I just left them as is because I broke these down. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, I had broke this section down because it looks like a long rectangle, so I broke it down to smaller pieces. And I had to put a few rubber bands on stuff because I didn't braid them tight enough. So yeah, but like I said, I had just left these 4 the way they are, but they're a little bit bigger than the rest. You can tell, but you really can't tell unless you look hard, which you shouldn't be. But yeah, so but these like my accent braids anyway, because these be the main braids that I have down like whenever I do like styles and like cute buns or whatever. So and as you see, I have that 1 bead and that 4. I only did these braids for my birthday because I don't be no bald bitch, even though I ain't bald, but you know. Anyway, let me stop talking. Let me just. Now, hopefully, you know how to put on beads on your hair, because this part is self-explanatory. If you don't know how to put beads on your hair, I really don't know what to tell you, but because it's kind of like common sense. But that's pretty much what I did, and I ended up having my boyfriend help me in the back. And what I did, I just used 1 gold and 4 to 5 whites. Like I only had like 41 pieces of gold, so I had just, like I said, I just did 1 gold and I did the rest white. Like 1 gold bead and 4 white beads on 1 braid. And you know, whatever you know, I felt whenever I was out of the gold, god dang, whenever I was out of the gold beads, Jesus, I just replaced the gold that was missing with an extra white. So some braids had all white and some braids had, well, most braids had white and gold. So that's pretty much it. But anyway, I hope you all like this video. Make sure you go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace and love. You got me on my toes. You got me on all fours. Fuck do you do that for? I'm running back to you. Give me a project, bitch. Give me a hood fat chick.
One night don't give a fuck and say she took that dick. Give me a fat check, bitch. Give me a hood fat chick. One night don't give a fuck and say she took that dick.
So that's all of the braids.
Sweat so good I can't.
Any hair of mine that sticks out my braids, I just crochet that shit back in. So here's all of them. And as you see, my boyfriend did help me, of course. Thank you, baby. Because, you know, get your boys involved, girls, or whoever's watching this. But, you know, I'm gonna take some pictures and that will be it to this video. So, I have some silver string here, but I'm not gonna put it on. Probably not right now, probably later on when I want to change the look, I guess. But, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you all like it. I will see you all in the next video, and peace and love. You're not gonna say bye, babe? Peace.